What is up, guys? Chris Jordan here. Welcome back to the video. And in this video, I'm going to go over something in the Engage tab again, and it's going to be going over the auto response. So, what an auto response is, it's basically just an auto response. So, I forgot to name it. An auto response is simply a response when someone sends something to your chatbot that it doesn't recognize. So I honestly don't have one for this. For my chatbot, because if someone sends me, a certain message, I'll just come back and message them personally, or I have like a VA message them personally or whatever. But all the auto response is just creating a message. So for example, if someone sends you a message it's more a mess. If someone sends you a message and the chatbot doesn't recognize it, and it's not like a keyword response, you don't have a keyword response for it, you can literally create an auto response message and say like something like, "We're on break now. We're on break now, but we'll get back to you as soon as possible." Or you can set up a message to where if the chatbot doesn't recognize it, you can say something like, "We're on break now," and you can have a button below where you can say, "Talk to human," and they'll send a notification to one of the admins. The admin will get the notification, and they'll know to come back inside the chatbot and inside Messenger and just talk to the person as a human. So auto response is pretty simple, straight to the point. That's pretty much it for auto response. So I'll see you guys in the next one.